Meetings every Wednesday, but they're not there every Wednesday. Plus, Miss Boss, she off all week. Full disposal replacement. Clean that plumber's putty up. It's a new collar. It's been taken apart and puttied up, put back together. Add the putty. Plumber's putty is in. Collar is tightened down. Clamp is in place. Clamp is in place. Tight. Water running, no leaks so far. After you do a disposer, I call this the friction test. If you can fill it up all the way, after everything you've done, put the putty in right, the gasket's on right, and it still don't leak. See? Still no leaks. That's how you know you've done your disposer the right way. No leaks. And then when I cut this disposer on, it's gonna give all the friction we need to tell if this thing's gonna leak or not. Like so. Turn it off. Cut it on. Okay. Look. No water. Friction test was successful. It's a wrap.
But you on your way over
Like, share, subscribe. Plenty of projects, plenty of tips, and also message me if you got any questions or concerns. Like, share, subscribe.